here I go again.
Was I dreaming? Or did you just activate my showtune setting?
I needed you awake, and it worked.
It worked too well. Now my brain wants choreography.
Don't start singing.
No promises.
Okay, I need advice.
All right. No singing. I'm listening.
You have daughters, right?
Well, only 4, but what's on your mind?
I just need to figure out the best way to ask my dad a question.
Yes. I know where you're going with this. Well, let me share something about navigating difficult relationships.
Hold, please. Listen, little girl, you're talking to a guy, and I don't want to hear that drama. Kindness ain't my brand.
Oh, I guess that's why you ran.
Try being married to your mama.
Mistake of being a dad.
Poor Mally, are you sad?
Not as sad as you without your power. I didn't come to fight, for once do something right.
I steal souls. Were you expecting flowers?
I only need you cause I came here for something.
I've given you everything
by giving you nothing.
I did what I had to do.
No, you only did what's best for you.
Well, you could learn a thing or two. When push comes to shove, you do what you gotta do, yeah.
You were never there, guess you don't have a phone. You never called to say I miss you.
Are you kidding? Is this a joke? You need to let it go. You're stronger with those daddy issues.
Oh, thank you.
Show me some respect. It ain't easy to neglect. My attention would have made you softer.
Should I be proud? Don't turn this thing around.
I guess you are your father's daughter.
Don't think I need you, I just came here for something.
I'm giving you everything
by giving you nothing. I did what I had to do. I made it on my own, no thanks to you.
Well, you could learn a thing or two. When push comes to shove, you do what you gotta do. How about I go with you and we'll spend some time?
How about you stay here cause you're out of your mind?
Let's make new memories, you can show me the town.
No, you can keep your memories now.
Get over it.
I am over it. I'm over you being over it.
Let's dance. I did what I had to do. No, you only did what's best for you. Well, you can learn a thing or two. When push comes to shove, you do. When push comes to shove, you do. When push comes to shove, you do what you gotta do. Yeah. Ha.
Police.
That's not.
Hey, that's what I'm here for.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, hey, have you ever asked Mr. Bass for something and he just kind of breaks out into song?
Story of my life. I pretty much try to avoid eye contact. It's better that way.
Yeah, that's probably for the best.